Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Children, in our last period, we have finished our chapter number 10, Pretty as a Picture. Today, we will discuss the question answers. Okay? Now, see which is the first question. With the help of the calendar, find out how many Fridays there are in this year. So, the answer is there are 52 Fridays in this year. Now see B number question. How many of these Fridays you will spend in the school? Children, this year we are not coming to school yet and it is not fixed when we are going to come. So we will not write the answer of this question. Okay. Now see the next question. Mention the things that make a man untidy. So the answer of this is things that make a a class untidy. So things that make a class untidy are paper and pencil stuff on the floor, books all over the class, uh, all over the place, crooked desks and benches, crooked and dusty charts on the wall, etc. All these things make a class untidy. Now see B number, a person untidy. Now you have to find out the things that makes a person untidy. Okay. Now see things that make a person untidy are uncombed hair, then ribbons and belt undone, shirts or blouse hanging out, shoe shoelaces untied, uneven socks, buttons missing, and unironed uniform, etc. So this is question number 2. Now see question number 3. Write any 5 things you do to tidy up your house. Now you have to write down the things, 5 things. By doing that you can tidy up your house. First is clean the house every day. Number 2, keep your things in their places. Third one is throw waste things in dustbin. Then fourth one is don't throw the things here everywhere. And fourth is dust your room. So by doing all these things you can keep your house tidy. Okay. Now see next question. Question number 4. How much time do you need to get ready for school? Write in the following table. Now children, you have to make this table. Make 2 columns. One for task. Can you see? Make 1 column for task and 1 column for time taken. So here I have written few tasks and I have given the example for time for this only. The first is to brush my teeth. So how much time you need to brush your teeth? I have written 3 minutes. You can write how much time you take. Then to take a bath. Now here you will write how much time you take to take a bath. Then dress up. So write down the time taken to dress up. Then fourth is to polish my shoes. And the fifth one is for breakfast. So here tasks are given and you have to mention the time you required to complete that work. Okay. Now question number 5. Use the following phrases in your own word. So you have to make the sentence of using these phrases. The first one is pretty as a picture. So see, pretty as a picture. I like to keep my room as pretty as picture. Okay. Now the next one is spick and span. So the sentence is the whole house was spick and span before Diwali. During Diwali we clean our total house so it looks spick and span. The third one is as clean as whistle. So I keep my bag as clean as whistle. So these are the sentences. Children, you can write you can make your own sentences also. Okay. Now, question number 6. When do we say the following? Describe one situation when you will say that's not fair. Now you have to mention a situation where you will say these words. That's not fair. So when will you say this? When any friend cheat with us, then we say that's not fair. If any friend is doing cheating to us, so at that time we say no, it's not fair. While playing, you use these words, that's not fair. Okay. Now see the next one. That's much better. Okay. Now see, when we say such thing, when we do some comparison, that time we are using. So when we do some comparison, that time we are using that's much better. So if we are doing comparison of two within two paintings, so we can, at the time we are saying this painting is much better than that painting. Okay. So while doing the comparison, we are saying that's much better. Now see next question. Write where you will put the following: pencil, cup, banana peel, doll. Then mention two other things that are kept in each of these places. So here again you have to make a chart. Can you see? I have made a chart over. I have made a table over here. So for make a column, serial number, then items, then the third column for where will you put it, and the last one is two other things that belongs there. So the first one is pencil. So where do you keep your pencil? In the compost box. And two other things which you keep in the compost box, that is eraser and ruler. Now the next is cup. Where do you keep your cup? In the kitchen cupboard. Two more things, plates and spoon. Then the third one is banana peel. You will put the banana peel in the dustbin. And what you find over there? Unwanted paper, pencil stub, etc. Then doll, you will keep your doll in your toy cupboard. And another things you will find, toy sets and video games. So in this way you have to write this answer. Now question number 8. List 5 of your favorite stories. Children, I have not given here the list of the stories. Here you have to write your favorite story. Okay, name of the 5 favorite stories. Children, there are so many questions. So you are not supposed to complete it on the next day. You will get the time. You have to complete the given work till Friday, that is 18 of September. Okay. Okay children. Thank you and bye bye.